If you want to make your CapCut edit sound smoother and more professional, learning how to fade audio in and out is a great skill to have. It is a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in the final feel of your video. Instead of your music or voice suddenly starting and stopping, fades help everything blend naturally. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fade audio in and out in CapCut step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline where your audio is placed. This could be a music track, a voiceover, or any other audio clip you want to adjust. Once you can see the audio on the timeline, click on it to select it. Selecting the audio is important because it will reveal the editing controls you need. Now take a close look at the beginning and the end of the audio clip. You should notice two black dots, one at the very start and one at the very end. These dots are what you'll use to control the fade effect. If you want the audio to slowly appear at the beginning, move your cursor over the black dot at the beginning of the clip. When you hover over it, click and drag the dot to the right. As you slide it to the right, you will add a fade in effect. The further you drag it, the longer the fade in will be. This is useful when you want music to come in gently instead of starting at full volume right away. It also works well for voiceovers or sound effects when you want a softer introduction. You can adjust it based on your style and how dramatic or subtle you want the fade to feel. Next, if you want the audio to gradually disappear at the end, go to the black dot at the end of the audio clip. Hover over that dot, then click and drag it to the left. Sliding it to the left creates a fade out effect. Just like with fade in, the more you drag it, the longer and smoother the fade out will be. This is especially helpful when you want your video to end cleanly without a harsh cut in the audio. It makes the ending feel more polished and professional. Whether you're editing a short-form video, a vlog, or a tutorial, using fade out can make the transition feel much more natural. The great thing is that CapCut gives you complete control over both fades. You do not need to use any complicated settings or advanced tools. You simply click the audio, find the black dots, and adjust them by sliding left or right depending on what you need. If you only need a small fade, drag just a little. If you want a longer transition, drag further. The key is to match the fade length to the mood of your project. So to recap, click the audio in the timeline, look for the two black dots at the beginning and end, slide the beginning dot to the right for fade in, and slide the ending dot to the left for fade out. It's quick, easy, and one of the simplest ways to improve the sound of your edits. If this CapCut tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and fast how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.